Namaskar friends, welcome to UGC HRDC Jawaharlal Nehru University New Delhi. We are starting online annual refresher course in the history of Indian science and technology under the guidance and support of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. This is also known as ARPIT course. It is equivalent to an interdisciplinary refresher course. We are coming to fulfill your dream to complete a refresher course from UGC HRDC JNU at your convenient place, time and pace. Whether you are in natural sciences, social sciences, humanities, engineering or medicine, you will find this course immensely useful and broadening your intellectual horizons. Science and technology affects everyone's life, and all we have our stake in this growth and development and its application. Its contemporary role in the society cannot be fully understood unless we know the social and historical context of its development. As we know, a concept is shrouded in mystery unless its history is known. This course will expand our understanding on development of science and technology in ancient India, and we would see that its development is not a solo pursuit, rather an interactive and collective process, and all civilization, people from different backgrounds have contributed to different branches of science and technology. The Eurocentric history of science and technology attributes all development of science and technology to Europe, and from there its diffusion to the rest of the world. In this course, we would learn how different concepts in mathematics, astronomy, chemistry, physics, medicine have developed by borrowing the intellectual and cultural resources from different countries. We would also explore the contribution of local people, craftsmen, artisans, farmers, forest dwellers in the development of sustainable and locally adaptable technology and traditional knowledge. While studying the Indian science and technology, however, we have to make a distinction between what was conceptualized and what was realized. We would get not only familiarized with the evaluation of scientific ideas and technical solutions, but also their linkages with the socio-cultural necessities of the time. In this course, we would learn how to link ideas from one discipline to another discipline and ground them in socio-cultural milieu of our country. We are going to make this course very lively, interesting and fun in learning. You have just to complete 40 hours in 2 to 3 months, 20 hours video contents and 20 hours e-contents. The whole course comprises 40 modules divided in 3 parts. First part, Indian worldview on science and technology, covering the topics like conception of nature and universe, methods and approaches towards science in India, perspective on physical worlds, exchange of ideas in the field of science and technology in India, each science universal or cultural specific. The second portion, we are going to deal with Indian contribution in science, specific branches of science such as mathematics, astronomy, medicine and chemistry. In the third section, we are going to deal with technological development in India. We would cover agriculture, water management, metallurgy, construction and architecture technology, transport and navigation, gemology, cosmetics, textile and some miscellaneous technology in which India is well known for. Eminent scholars will be invited to deliver the talks on the above topics and provide the e-text material for your reading and reflection. I, Professor Madhav Govind, is the course coordinator of this program with 15 years of teaching and research experience in the field of Science and Technology at Center for Studies in Science Policy, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. I will be with you in this course of intellectual journey. I invite you to join this course on SWAYAM platform and experience the world-class intellectual discourse. Thank you.